I ain't like he's growing on me. He looks sick right now. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Majin. Today we're gonna be reacting to Chainsawman. It's gonna be episode 3. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go check out my previous reactions down below. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Last ending for the episode was nuts. She looked so innocent, but she destroyed that whatever that demon, whatever that thing was. Look at her. She's full of all that blood or whatever that is. Gooey. I mean, that makes sense. Definitely got her blood pumping. She turned on him so quick. That's messed up. Wait, did he? I don't even remember. Like a dog when they smell food, like human food. Started going crazy. They're literally acting like little children. Yeah, they're listening to your mentor. Yeah, I think they could make a good team, honestly. Damn, really obeys her, huh? Ain't playing no games. The other type of soda. What's wrong with her? This guy, oh my, bro. Denji, are you serious right now? Yeah, at least buy her soda. But I ain't got no money. I bet.
If we keep screwing up like we did,
Guy has experienced nothing in life. Yeah, it's a rough start, but I think they make a good team. What? That's probably the most we've heard her talk and make actual sense. Nah, I think he probably gets you. He doesn't have no filter. He just says anything. Exactly. Oh, that's gonna get him pumped. Oh yeah. What the fuck? The guy was going crazy. Wait, what? Damn, I thought he had a strict like life now, but looks like hers is even worse. Why only him? Oh, this dude. That's his only thought in his mind. Oh yeah.
How foolish you humans are.
What? What do you mean? They're literally fused. Like dead ass.
Yeah, true.
Bro, Denji.
Guess you're right.
This guy Denji's on one today, man.
I'll never get along with this.
Okay. Where specifically are they going? I don't think they said like specifically where they're gonna go. Interesting. Who are these people? Who the heck are these guys? Like world government people? Wait, is that the girl? Or is that a new girl? They're confused with the other one. They damn near have the same eyes. Or is it the other way around? Was the girl interesting and Denji has potential? I mean, yeah, that's true. Yeah. It's just stronger in other people's eyes. Well, mostly everyone's eyes. Yeah, it's pretty dope, honestly.
Everyone in public safety has
Why is he hating on him?
goals and convictions.
What's wrong with that?
Like it's bad news and a
Like,
bad
come on.
fit. What's more?
Like, we get it, man. You've been through some shit. But, like, you don't even know Denji like that. Wait, what? Why is the axe so little? Literally so small. Kinda crazy. Ain't so loud.
I
You mean by that?
Chainsaws.
What?
Fluffy shield the second it saw you, right?
Why have you used it against him?
Close to where they're hiding.
Oh. This doesn't sound right anymore. Holy shit.
Your instincts are quite sharp.
Oh, is she a traitor? What is she doing? I don't know if she killed him already, like, honestly. Wow, this is gonna be a whole 180, huh?
Met your demands.
Wow.
Is it not that?
Who is that? Like a bat, huh? Uh-oh. Was it set up the whole time? What the heck?
The wound off like savages.
Damn.
The injury was so severe that it full.
Oh, he's still alive. Let's go.
Blood out
Oh my
of
God.
arm and right the wrongs you.
Oh my God. Wait, what? Holy crap. I don't know, this guy just got like 2 times bigger. What is going on? So he was probably right the whole time then. Damn.
Never
I did say that earlier. She was like saying some stuff about mortals. This guy acts like we can't just live or
Now
what?
there's a pleasing foul taste.
Oh my God.
Look here, Bat Devil.
Keep meowing.
That's
Oh.
right.
So at least half of the story was true.
Didn't for bringing such nasty fare.
What? Damn.
Meowy.
You did all that.
Meowy.
Did all that just to get betrayed as well. Looks like a devil can't even trust the devil. Yeah, this anime looks really like realistic sometimes.
Finally
Oh
slaughtered.
my God. That's gruesome. What the heck? We can cut that cow's head off.
I've always thought isn't screaming
So
at
she was a traitor the whole time. Wow.
So very strange.
Uh-oh.
Breeding's precisely what I need.
Wait, what?
Lest you want to end in B.
How did that big dude sneak up on her so quick? That's what you get for doing that to my boy Denji.
Earlier you said you'd never pet Pochita again.
Wait, what? Oh my God.
All this
What the heck?
blood!
She got eaten as well.
The inside of my set out.
Dude, there's so many freaking 180s in this episode.
And then a large plump man.
I think I
with a
saw him on
main
his leg.
course.
Bro, this guy's crazy. Yeah, there he is.
Drink my blood, revolting.
Come on, Denji. Let's go. Oh, shit.
This one time, Pochita went missing.
About to go chainsaw mode.
I know. Started thinking he'd
You like cut this guy down and you guys fall. It's like over with. The
I
little
was
guy.
so relieved. I fell asleep hoping.
Damn, he even still feels remorse, even though she betrayed him. Oh, look at that. Spin a chainsaw. I thought he knew that. Holy crap. See, that would scare the shit out of me. If I was just like there and freaking whole wall breaks behind me. That's what I'm saying. Let's go, Denji. Get your ones back. Holy crap. That guy is huge. Okay. I like this action. Pretty clean fit. Oh my God. Slicing and dicing. Anime looks kind of like 3D-ish. Hey, look at him. At least he has morals. You know he's a half devil. Oh my God. Wait, he can stop?
They can retract. That's so cool.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Oh my God.
Give a shit about this.
What the heck? Where I thought he was saving him too. The fuck? Holy crap. Oh, I thought that was Denji for a minute. Yeah. He's not off for the count, man.
What you
Up till now.
Oh my God, Denji. Ugh, look at his fingers.
So why? Why
Oh,
haven't I got the car?
this guy. About to go crazy. I ain't like he's growing on me. He looks sick right now. Oh, is he about to tear him off? Damn, those chainsaws are that powerful? Oh my God. Straight cutting through him. Let's go, Denji. Uh-oh. Right in the face? Oh my God. Oh, I thought he cut him all up in his face. Damn. Imagine seeing that. Hey, he looks cold right now. Alright, you guys, that was episode 3 of Chainsawman. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys check out my previous reactions as well. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Take it easy. Peace.